Hi team, this is a high level video regarding our product regarding your requirement. So this is the login screen for AIS. You can see there are four companies. You can create unlimited companies. So this is hosted in a cloud server. The application is a desktop application and it connects to a database hosted in the cloud. So once you log in, the first tab is the transaction tab. In order to do any transaction under the transaction tab, you need an role access. And reports is self-explanatory. You can generate entity level trial balance or group level trial balance means it consolidates all your entities in a fraction of seconds. Or GL dump, stock register, GST report, vendor raising, data raising, and other reports. Master data and settings tab. This is how AIS would be implemented. So we take around 3 days of time to understand your organization and what is your business verticals, what your business do kind of. And the implementation takes will it will take around 5 days to configure AIS to your entity. And subsequently, AIS would be controlled through this tab, master data and as well as settings. Of course, you need to have the required roles in order to perform the transactions. User management, you can add users and you can give the role access. Self-service, when your organization grow big, certain transactions can be done from the self-service, like requesting a purchase order or you can issue a quotation. But anything done under self-service, first it will go to the immediate manager approval and it will follow the approval flow. Or that is, anyone can submit an invoice to the accounts team for accounting. This is AP invoice submit. Similarly, one can raise an AR billing request. It will go to the accounts for raising a billing. So regarding your question of paperless office, let's look into the journal. Let's take an example of journal. In fact, any transaction that you are doing under AIS, you will have an option to attach the document. Say now I have clicked the journal. Let's raise a journal. Let's raise a journal entry. That is, you can upload the journal through an Excel, and the journal that from the Excel, the system automatically pulls the journal. But while doing a transaction, you will have an tab called attachment. You are saying one upload file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can attach any 5 documents of any size. So I am attaching a test report and I am attaching something called demo correspondence. You are seeing now these documents are tagged to this entry. So subsequently, when you want to retrieve the journal, you can see these documents attached to the cloud. So the guy who is doing the transaction under attachment tab, he can attach any 5 documents, and those documents can be retrieved later. So let's see the retrieving show journal. You can search document by journal number if you know the number, or the person who done this transaction, or between the dates. So let's look for search for the journal. This is retrieving the transaction. So we are seeing 6 journals. When you click on display journal, you not only see the journal, you are seeing a tab called attachment. So this is the attachment which was attached while recording this transaction. And click download, it get downloads to your folder. So this is a while recording a transaction, you will find an tab called attachments where you upload the documents. You can upload any 5 documents, and those documents are along with that is tagged to tagged to that entry. So when you retrieve those entry, be it journal or an vendor invoice or an sale invoice or quotation or material receipt, anything. So when you retrieve those, when you search for those documents, either by document, you can search by document number or the person who has entered the document, or between the dates. You can give the date criteria and you search it, and you can download those documents. Hope this video uh, meets, that is, hope this video clarifies the requirements. Thank you. Meet you soon.